We live in a world that's constantly demanding perfection, asking questions and seeking answer. To understand our complex planet, we need people and organizations dedicated to solving global challenge. How are we equipping it? From university, when we think about a university, we always think of it as a building. Long hallways, big auditoriums, test rooms, and even long aisle of books. Shh! Why not see it as more? When you get there, you realize that you're not the only one. You learn from each other. You grow together. It's not always about knowing exactly where you're headed. It's about finding your way. Broaden your innate ability by treasuring like-minded friends and people with varying ideas. Spark brilliant ideas and intellectual conversations that could potentially lead you into something bigger. At University Kuala Lumpur, the next generations of problem solvers are engineers, doctors, economists, chemical technologists, and even marine experts. They are future professionals who create solutions to environmental change and meet global demands. Do you want to be one of them? It's about seeing field with your own eyes and learning from the best. We create future doctors who are improving the life of others. In lab, we create chemical technologists whose inventions are tested, resulting in products that push the boundaries of scientific achievement. Engineering professionals in the aviation industry are born to be the best person in their operations. We develop business experts who are knowledgeable and alert to the changes in the economy. We even produce skilled individuals who are excellent at multimedia and animation to spearhead the nation's entertainment industry. We create marine engineers who specialize in shipping. Even, here are born globally sought-after automotive engineers. Alternative energy specialists are produced with a visionary approach. Count on our medical science technologists to protect your health. Quality control is ensured by the welding engineers we produce. We create railway experts that the countries can benefit from their expertise. What's more, nations can depend on our supply chain engineers for a successful industrial logistics system. It involves us interacting with our environment, giving back to society, and contributing to nationwide causes. This is University Kuala Lumpur, a large community of problem solvers who are dedicated to finding answers to the world's most challenging questions. Of course, it comes with a lot of hard work. Let's move forward together until reaching your full potential. Participate in university activities. Compete in highly competitive competitions. Create and develop scientific measures needed in the future. Despite the hard work, it's a lot of fun. We go to university for education, but in the end, we take away the experience, ultimately carving out your own career paths. University Kuala Lumpur is where the knowledge is applied and dreams realized.